deliverance than ever before. Today, a large segment of humanity are suffering from the tortures of demon afflictions, with great multitudes of people who do not even believe in the existence of the devil. But of course, this is what the devil wants. Here are some ways the devil's power can be observed in our modern world.
Narito ang ilang paraan na masasaksihan natin ang kapangyarihan ng Diablo sa kasalukuyan.
For example, the political world.
Halimbawa, sa buhay politika.
Look into the future, our world more and more will have strange and fierce leaders as heads of government.
Sa hinaharap ay magkakaroon tayo ng lalong mga mabalasik na mga tagapangunahin sa mga iba't ibang pamahalaan.
An illustration of this was the dictator Adolf Hitler.
At ang halimbawa nito ay ang diktador na si Hitler.
He was a man possessed of a familiar spirit.
Siya ay isang lalaki na mayroong masamang espiritu.
And even today, there are political leaders who resort to witchcraft and diviners and fortune tellers for political information.
At kahit ngayon ay mayroong mga pangunahin na gumagamit ng mga mangkukulam at mga manghuhula upang magtagumpay sila sa kanilang sariling paraan.
Another area to witness unusual demon power is in the committing of crime. Much of today's global crime wave is beyond any human reason. We read in our newspapers where a person kills a loved one or a friend and later tells the police, "A spirit told me to do it." Indeed, it was a spirit, but it was an evil spirit. We read of the terrible mutilating of human bodies and even the killing of total strangers. The present worldwide crime wave, I believe, is demon-inspired. And all the police agencies of the entire world will not be able to stop it. Only Christ is the answer. My friend, God can take hatred and God can take away all kinds of sin from men's life. Another area where we see demon power is in that of morals. The immorality of our times is not normal. The perversion in morals is moving like an avalanche against the total of human society. It is not the condition of any one country, but it is a global situation. The morals of the world at this moment are very similar to those in Sodom and Gomorrah when God destroyed those cities. Men and women today seemingly have abandoned their moral standards. Passion today is crowned as king. Much of it is demon-inspired, and only Christ can conquer the uncontrolled passions of mankind. Even in the religious world, one can witness the same demon power.
Kahit na sa pananampalataya ng sanglibutan, ay masasaksihan ninyo ang kapangyarihan ng demonyo.
Our generation, more and more, is being influenced by demon power in religious cults.
Higit at higit, ang ating buhay sa sanglibutan ay napapasok ng kapangyarihan ng demonyo.
Devil worship is growing at a tremendous pace at this very moment.
Ang pagsamba sa demonyo ay lumalago sa matuling paraan.
Spiritist groups are gaining strength and prestige throughout the whole world.
Ang mga pulutong na mga espiritista ay lumalago sa maraming bahagi ng sanglibutan.
They deceived the bereaved and broken-hearted through telling them that they're talking with the dead.
Kanilang nililinlang ang mga nalulumbay at nauulila sa pamagitan ng pagsasabing makakausap nila ang kanilang mga patay.